Hi, welcome to the future tech world of OPPO. What you see before you is our bold vision for the future. Presenting the OPPO X 2021 Rollable Concept Handset. Yes, you heard that right. A rollable OLED display that measures 6.7 inches and expands to 7.4 inches. The roll motor design gives freedom to the user while being extremely durable. We additionally devised a pulley bearing on the movable side of the device, which makes the flexible screen have almost no visible creases after rolling. The self-developed warp track laminate ensures that the screen durability when extended and retracted. The relationship between human and technology has been reimagined thanks to OPPO's technology integration model. OPPO AR Glass 2021 is the epoch-making product from this thinking model. The birdbath optical solution offers an immersive view of the outside world through the concave optical mirror. The 42.7-degree field of view ensures seamless integration of the virtual and real scenes, making the picture wide and clear. It feels like you're sitting 3 meters away, watching a 90-inch screen. The binocular fisheye camera on OPPO AR Glass can detect and track your hands in milliseconds, allowing you to stroll around the mall at home, or to adventure new worlds with friends. Next up, Cybreel. Its core is to build a digital world that is consistent with the physical one. By combining the information of the two, our sensory experiences in the real world will be highly improved. Wait, what? Let us show you. Look, is this more convenient? Here are more innovations on OPPO INNO Day. UWB Spatial Awareness, AI-powered gesture control, AI-powered eye control, computer visual platform robot dog, electrochromism. An optimized future lifestyle starts from now on.